welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today, I got Taco Bell. Oh, let me pull my chair real closer. I got a, I forgot what this is called. This is pink lemonade. Yeah, this is pink lemonade. And then I got some chips with cheese, which is nachos. And then I got these like Twisties that always come with the box. Like this cinnamon crunch. And then, so guys, I got let me get this out of here. The triple crunch wrap. That's a big boy. Guys, by the way, I just got back from the pool. Oh my god, guys. I never had a crunch wrap. Let's try this lemonade. What should I try first? So, let's get...
That's nice.
Oh, you go. Wow. Yeah, it's inside. I never tried this. This is a big boy. This is almost the size of my head. Oh my god. That is filled with tomatoes, guys. Hold on. Oh my god, guys. Look at that. That is filled with vegetables. Wow. That's how broke. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the other side. Oh, that was just bread. There's a lot of bread for sure. It's so hot. Oh my god. These are dry. These taste stale. I do not like those at all. I'm gonna break a piece because it's obviously gonna fall apart anyway. And so, wow. That's what's inside. And a lot of chicken. I'm gonna see if I can turn it. This is so messy, guys. I do not recommend you guys giving this to your kid if they're a messy eater because this is going everywhere. Going everywhere. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, this is so messy. Why did they make it so messy, guys? I do not like messy things. I like it just to be neat. And made. Like it's not messy. This Crunchwrap Supreme, they just stuff all kinds of stuff in it. There's chicken, some type of sauce, there's tomatoes, there's lettuce. It's just, and this, oh you guys, I didn't mention, there's even a hard piece. Like, you know how you guys go to Taco Bell and you guys get the taco that's hard? That's it. And then that's the soft part. Man, I would not get that at a time. I'd rather try eat these. I really like these. No, I'm gonna go there. That, wow guys. Oh, sorry guys. That is full of cinnamon. Oh my god. I love the flavor. It's still, I love the flavor. I love cinnamon. But that is so stale and hard. I love cinnamon. I put cinnamon in my tuna sandwiches and rice, anything. Guys, comment down below if you guys want me to do this cinnamon challenge. If you guys do not know what the cinnamon challenge is, it's when you grab a teaspoon, an example. You grab a spoon like this, and you pour it with cinnamon, and you have to try to eat it without spitting it out. Well, comment down below. Ooh. This is so good, this cheese. This is so good. I could just, I'm not trying to be gross, but I could just, this is good. I love this. I love Taco Bell cheese. You know, I think they took it away, or last time they just ran out. But the fries and the nacho cheese, oh my god. That is so good. Sorry, I'm not trying to be nasty, but this is good. These, I do gotta say, they're a little stale. But it's okay. Better than those. I love this lemonade. Oh. That's pretty good. Huh. Guys, I am getting full. So guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what other video I actually do.